Seether, Seether, Mushroomhead, Mushroomhead, Gojira, Soil. More Soil 74 of 95 the best alternative metal bands, 52 of 354 the best new metal bands, 90 of 91 the best post-grunge band. El Nino. More El Nino 104 of 107 the best musical artists from New Jersey, 98 of 124 the very best metalcore bands, 10 of 25 the best bands like Slipknot, Dope, Nonpoint, Mushroomhead. More Mushroomhead 216 of 221 bands / artists with only one great album, 129 of 179 the best bands that are named after foods, 51 of 74 the best bands named after body parts. Drowning Pool. More Drowning Pool 78 of 118 the best musical artists from Texas, 13 of 25 the best bands like Five Finger Death, Punch 2 of 29 the best bands like Disturbed. Fear Factory. More Fear Factory 41 of 210 the best thrash metal bands, 67 of 155 the best death metal bands, 67 of 350 the best progressive metal bands. Rob Zombie. More Rob Zombie proof. Rob Zombie and his wife Sherry Moon are relationship goals, 245 of 603 the best rock vocalists, 97 of 298 the best frontmen in rock. Stone Sour, Soulfly, Godsmack, Cold Chamber, Deftones, StaticX, StaticX, Disturbed, System of a Down, System of a Down, Slipknot, Slipknot, Mudvayne, Mudvayne.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.